Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan. Today, I was literally just on my phone getting distracted entering raffles for the sneaker that we're reviewing early in this video today. What we're going to be discussing again is the Air Jordan 4 SB Navy, man. We got an extremely clean pair. Let me just grab one of these to hold for you guys and really show you all what we got with this sneaker. Extremely clean colorway in hand. We're going to get into showing y'all again everything with this sneaker. If it's exactly, like the last ones that we got. Obviously, I do not have the red ones because that's F&F, and well, I don't have like $4,000 to buy that pair, so we're not going to do that. Not yet, at least. But again, let's get into it. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's try to 300 likes in this video. Just let me know y'all want more early pair reviews. I can always bring them for you guys. And don't forget, if y'all want to check out any of the merch down below, we got this design right here in a crew neck, hoodie, tee. Don't forget, we also got the SB4 mug. Y'all can check that out down below in the pinned comment, along with the W's only tees and hoodies, which, again, y'all can choose the color that you want for the tee, whatever you want. We have plenty of options. So yeah, if you want early access to that, use the code SBDunks, and you guys can get that before it launches tomorrow if you just want to check it out early. And the next person that orders off the site gets a free Supreme bag. I told somebody this morning that, so hey, check it out. Next order gets a little free something. So it's a SS24. I'll pop up a bag of it, this one right here. So, or not a bag of it, a picture of the bag. So check it out. Not much out. Yeah, that's everything I really need to say about that. You can also check us out down below at Resale Vision. Don't forget, we're doing pairs of these under market this week, along with the Nigel Sylvester brick by brick. So if y'all want any of that, you know, the early info we provide, raffle links, sneaker stock numbers, check it out. There's so much down below that you guys can check out. So don't miss out on it. And my Instas, I sell stuff there. We're running a raffle for these right now. This pair. If you want a chance to win these for like 20 bucks, join the raffle on my store. We got a lot, so check it all out down below. Don't miss out. And I hope y'all will check out some of the designs that we made. Some of y'all have been liking that, so I appreciate it as always. But let's get into reviewing this sneaker right here. So first things first, we got the exact same box, exact same one as the previous pair. So as y'all can see, here's what we got on the size tag. This is size 9.5. It's my personal size, but I ended up raffling this pair off. I'm just gonna go out the way and get my personal pair in a day or two because the prices are really nice right now. So I actually might do that tonight or tomorrow morning. I don't know. Thinking about it, but. All I know is that after seeing these in hand, I absolutely want a pair to match with the pine green set. I know there's not everyone's going to want to do that, you know what I mean? Because they are clean, I will admit. Like, I'll show y'all, you know, what we got with this pair. It's very, very clean. But if you were to say the pine greens were better, I wouldn't blame you. I honestly think that. In my personal opinion, again, and it's because I own these ones, so, you know, I am slightly biased. I think these ones are better. And it's just because maybe it's the OG one, or I don't know. I just feel like maybe the colors pop a little bit more, but this is a really nice look. You know, how the navy blends in with the white. I really like how everything fits together in this sneaker. So for me, I'm taking these. I gotta wear my SB4s more, man. On a real note, just checking that out. But aside from that, again, looking at the sneaker, you guys can see the navy look that is throughout the shoe on many parts. You all can see back there. Kind of on the midsole section, by the heel. Here's the main portion that everyone's going crazy over. You guys can see the Nike SB by the heel. Again, they did this with the recent Nigel Sylvester collab where they changed up this portion by the heel and they added bike air. I think people really like, I think Nike's starting to notice that those little adjustments, the logo back here by the heel, and you know, maybe on like the front of the shoe, stuff like that. People really like those little small details and changes that make a shoe unique. They've started to do that a lot more, maybe you notice. I mean, they've always done that, but especially within the last few months, you notice they've been going absolutely crazy with putting something on a Jordan 4 and then just changing whatever they put back here. It works. So do I even blame them? No. I'll be there for it. But yeah, aside from that, you all can see exact same insoles as the pine green pair, just a red and white set. You all can see it's the white Nike logo, and then again, just a red look. I'll try and maybe y'all can see that a little bit better now with the flashlight on it a little. You can see it's just a red. So nothing too crazy. Red look. That's what we got. Basically the same red that is on the sole of the sneaker, and also, well, the tongue tag. That's the exact same red that we got on the insole. So in case you just need to get a little reference for what we got right there. But aside from that, there is the flight tag right there. Y'all can see that embroidered on. And well, the rest of the sneaker, very, very clean look. You can see the gray suede around the toe box as well. That is on both of the pairs. So something we got. Little gum bottom look almost by the heel and the toe box. Very, very clean. Again, this is one of those pairs that I'm gonna keep it real. This is one of those pairs that, like, if you aren't able to style this pair, it may not be an issue of the pair. You know what I mean? Like, this is a very, very easy sneaker to wear. You can wear this with almost anything, in my opinion. Like, this is, you may not like it. That's totally fine. Like, it may not be your style of colorway, so you may be passing on it for that reason. And again, totally reasonable. You know, we don't like every single sneaker. But if you had a hard time wearing this shoe, knowing you liked it, I would definitely say that, you know, maybe you got to change the fits a bit. You know what I mean? Figure something out. Because this is not a hard shoe to wear. Like, just taking a look at them right now in hand, I'm sure most people will agree with me when they get them in hand. Or, you know, if you decide to purchase this pair. Yeah, it's it's not that hard to wear, and that's what I like. Those tend to be the models over time that go for big bucks, and they tend to be the models that a lot of people look at as like grails down the line, because they're sneakers that are really cool, but they're like you can wear them because they're not too hard to style, or maybe it is something super funky that's out there. You know what I mean? Sometimes that's the stuff that does well, like some of those Dornbecker collabs that look super different. Those do really well because there's just nothing like them. This is something that would do well for the fact that it's easy to wear, and there is stuff like it, but it's slightly different. So kind of like that hype factor, you get me? Hopefully that makes sense. But aside from that, again, that is what we got with the SB Jordan 4 Navy. Very clean pair. I want to tow these badly, but I paid too high for these, so I'm just not going to tow this pair right now. You know what I mean? We're going to go out the way in a couple days, and then we'll do a little on-feet review. I don't know, maybe a little later or something. We'll see. But it's a clean pair. That's really what we got with the hand look, and you can see it's just kind of that white leather. Exact same like as the pine greens. Like I wish I was showing y'all something like super different or like extra laces or something cool, but no, I mean it's really very, very similar to the last ones, as they should be. There should not be any variances from this colorway to the next one. You know what I mean? If they're just trying to keep it as the SB4 line, it should be the exact same. Only thing that should be changed is the color. So they nailed it. So aside from that, that's what we got with this pair. But aside from me talking, you know what I mean? Because we do give some good info. Some good information with talking right here. Y'all can see the Nike SB by the heel. Of course, everything else with the sneaker. I love all the padding we got there by the ankle. Again, these would be extremely comfortable to wear once they are broken in. Once you wear them about 3, 4, 5 times, I feel like after that, you would probably really, really start to like this pair. But let's get into the B-roll shots, because I told you I was going to do that. I'm just talking right now. We're just kind of showing you all the pair. But how about we show you all the pair with some really nice light and some good shots without me talking over it. Maybe just some music, something like that. So let's do it. I love this pair. It's not one that I absolutely need for the collection. At the start I did say that I really want it. Like, it is one that I want, but I want I have a pair of Brick by Bricks coming in. I'm probably gonna tow those. Those I really like those. But these are clean. So why don't we dive into some B-roll shots right now?
Sticks made a bucket hit.
Anyways, guys, I hope you all did enjoy this early pair review for the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Navy, man. Very, very clean pair, dropping at skate shops now, and, should hit sneakers in April, I believe, if I'm correct with that. I believe that info was originally shared by Elder Monitors. I'm not sure if they've changed that, but that's what we got with this particular pair right here. So, again, if y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let me know your thoughts on it. Y'all can check out the merch down below again if y'all want to, check out any of the hoodies, crew necks. We got tons of accessories. We got stickers. We got mugs. We got everything. We got desk mats, literally tons of stuff. Just check it out. Even phone cases. So again, that all launches tomorrow. You can use the code SBDunks again if you want to get a little early access. Just put that in the password, and yeah, you can get access to the site. Check it out before launch tomorrow. And again, the next order on that site, it's gonna get a little free Supreme bag, that SS24 one. Hopefully, I pop up a picture of that. But check it out. Don't miss out. And that is what I can say again about the Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Navy. Extremely clean pair. Really like what we got going on with these. And again, we're doing these under market right now in resale vision, so you can check that out down below as well. Another thing I'll mention, so don't forget that, the Brick by Bricks and the early info, other stuff like that we provide to our members daily, because we're always trying to keep you all on top of your game, and we'll get you pairs at good pricing, because we know that's the main thing that people are concerned about when it comes to sneakers. It's just getting a decent price. So we help you with that. And, early info, raffle links, other things on top of that, to make sure it's worth your time. And yeah, that's it. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. Let me know your thoughts on Nike SB Air Jordan 4 Navy. Let me just slow down for a second. You see, my mind's racing a million miles an hour because I got a lot of stuff to do today, but I should just slow down. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. All right, I appreciate y'all. Love you guys as always. Let me know your thoughts on the SB Air Jordan 4 Navy. For me, I told him. It's like a 8.5 to 9 out of 10. I mean, it's a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 shoe in terms of like design and everything, like how well it's put together. But my personal opinion, 8.5 to 9 out of 10. I like the pine greens more. The pine greens are like a 9.5 out of 10 for me, for reference. So these are barely, under them. You know what I mean? For me. You may like these more, and that's fine. So, why do I talk so much? This is a long outro. All right. I'll see y'all on the next one tomorrow. Love you guys. Catch y'all then. It's on the unreleased Yuta Horigom Asparagus, so don't miss it. See y'all then. Peace.